I'm dealing with the doozy. I have been staring at this white wall for about a few months now. I'm not sure if I need some wall art. I don't know, pictures. I was thinking I have this baby here. These curtains, these extra large curtains, I mean, these are long. This is a long one. And I have decorated my apartments throughout the years with these, along with some fairy lights, which I need to entangle. It always gave this whimsical, otherworldly feel to it. And I want to try and recreate that and do my own little parachuting kind of drapage. I've seen some ideas on Pinterest as well as Instagram. I'm gonna try my hand at it. I'd be so mad at myself if I never got to use these. And I got these command strips. This is renter friendly, easy to do. So long as, you know, you have a ladder, you have a vision and a dream. I think we can get this done. Let me get my ladder. I was wrapping my mind about how I wanted to drape them in a way where it looked really cool and not plain and sterile and basic. I looked on Pinterest and I saw some really cool draping ideas that they did. I'm not going to think too much about it. I think I have a general idea of where I want to place them. So what I'm going to do right now is place these big command strips and then go from there. It's mentioned enough how these can actually damage your walls if you're not careful removing them. The last apartment I did, it ruined the walls. I have to remove it correctly. Do is I'm gonna try and drape it and see how it looks, see what else I can do with it. It's a pretty big curtain drape, 8 feet tall curtains. Because I want this to look like a beautiful chaos, I only have so much command strips. I only have 4. Let's see how it will look right now. So I have successfully put some safety pins and measured them out, how long I wanted it to drape. And I don't know, I'm just doing a rough thing. I can always change it up and see. I have a vision and I'm really hoping it turns out well, and I think it's gonna come out pretty great. So let's see, let's hope that these safety pins hold it all together. This might be good enough. I was thinking this was longer. Looking great. This is kind of bothering me. I'm maybe gonna put one in the middle. Does that look good? And with this. A lot of work troubleshooting this, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So I finally finished putting on the command strip hooks and the smaller hooks for the fairy lights, and it came out pretty neat. I'm really happy with the product. I had to move the curtain around a little bit, but I don't know, you tell me what you think. still have to put fairy lights on. I don't know, maybe I'll do that now. I am so happy with how this came out. Everything I anticipated in my mind, and it was the beautiful chaos that I envisioned. And so to complete the look, I have this Audrey Hepburn movie poster, My Fair Lady, one of my favorite classics. In this area, here, maybe here. It's gonna look good. It's gonna add to it. Isn't this the most magical thing to sleep under? It's like sleeping under the stars. I did that, y'all. I did that. And it looks like a shape of a heart, too. And that concludes my bedroom project. Thank you for watching. I probably have more whimsical decorating ideas under my belt, so stick around and see what else I can come up with in my apartment. All right. See you later.